let's talk about feelings. Everyone feels different feelings every day. A person can feel very happy on a good day. A happy person often smiles a big, warm smile. A happy person's eyes shine bright with joy. A person can feel quite sad after some bad news. A sad person sometimes cries a few tears. A person can feel angry about an unfair situation. An angry person's face often turns red. A person can feel scared alone in the dark. A scared person's heart beats very fast inside. A person can feel excited before a big and fun trip. An excited person jumps up and down with energy. A person can feel surprised by sudden good news. A surprised person opens their mouth and eyes wide. A person can feel nervous before an important test. A nervous person's hands and voice may shake a little. A person can feel very tired after a long, busy day. A tired person just wants to rest and sleep well. A person can feel calm and peaceful inside. A calm person breathes slowly and speaks quietly. We can often see a person's feelings on their face. We can also see feelings in a person's body and movement. Talking about our feelings can help us feel much better. Good friends and family are always ready to listen. Every single feeling is a normal and important part of life.